Hello everyone, this is Prajwal Verma from IMU Aspirants. I welcome you all to the 27th episode of Tutu Talks. In this talk show, you ask question and we reply in the form of video. If you have any doubts, tell us in the comment section or DM us on Instagram. So let's get started with today's question. There is a guy who asked me, Sir, do we need to give IMU CET before 12th or after 12th? Okay, this is a complicated question. Let's break things. Okay, because as you all know, IMUCT is conducted 2 times a year. Okay, every year it is conducted twice. So let's talk about June IMUCT first, because June IMUCT is approaching. June has passed, I know. July has passed, and IMU has announced to take exam in September. Like they had said it, emails of some students. But let's see what happens. Okay, the first is June batch. Okay, eligibility criteria for June batch is 60% in PCM. Okay, 60% in PCM aggregate. More than 50% marks you should have secured in English in your 10th grade or 12th grade. Okay, this is the eligibility criteria. But the doubt was, we have to give it before 12th or after 12th. Okay. So there is an option. When form is available, IMU provides an option there that you can put result awaited. Okay, yeah, 12th appearing, that you are in 12th appearing process. When your marks will be available, you will upload it later. Okay, the guys who have dropped out and passed previous year, they have to upload it, when they fill the form. But if you are appearing in 12th boards in the same year the IMU CET is conducted in June batch, I'm talking about June batch, then you can fill their form in 12th appearing, or currently in 12th status, something like that. Okay, but one condition, you have to pass the same year. Okay, it's not like you are in 12th right now and you're gonna pass next year. No. You have to pass within 2-3 months, so that when their admission starts, you have some certificate or a proof that I passed this year and these are my marks that I obtained in my 10+2 examinations. Okay, so I think I made it clear. And for those who have dropped out 1 year, there is no problem. You can upload it, when the results are out. And for those who are, drop out 1 year, drop out 2 year, drop out, they don't have to worry about this. You can upload your result as soon as forms are available. Okay. So in short, in June batch, both 12th appearing and 12th pass out are eligible. 12th appearing has to just select 12th appearing part, and when their results are available, they can update the results. And for the 12th pass, they don't have to do that, any of that. But for those who are improvement students and compartment students, okay, so for those, you all have to do the same. Okay, there is an option available there. For the compartment student, you can choose, you have a compartment. For the improvement student, you can choose, you have an improvement. Okay, when the options are available in the when the forms are available, these options will be available there. Okay, if not, please contact IMU, they will make it there. Okay, because according to the rules, you are eligible. All you are doing is giving your exam again. So do not worry about that part. Worry about scoring more than 65% or 70%. Do not just touch 60%. It's embarrassing, man. At least make 70-75% marks in your PCM percentage if you are giving your 12th board examination second time. Okay, so let's talk about February batch. What happens in February batch? First of all, students who do not have their mark sheets with them are not eligible in February batch. You have to have a mark sheet that says that I got 60% marks in PCM and one more thing, 50% marks in English, either in 12th or in 10th. Okay, this is the basic eligibility criteria to give IMU CET. And there is a misconception going on between the students that In February batch, we can only give IMU CET if we have sponsorship. First of all, IMU do not give a crap about sponsorship. They suggest that you have a sponsorship to take admission in colleges, but it is not compulsory to give IMU CET. According to their guidelines, they do not say that it is a compulsion to give IMU CET. It is a compulsion to have admission in February batch. But as you all know, some companies like Synergy provide direct interview who got rank under 20 or 30 or 40 in IMU CET February batch. And same goes for Shipping Corporation of India. They also provide sponsorship based on the only your rank. Okay, they do not check your interview or anything, just they check your IMU CET rank. So in February batch, I have cleared this doubt. No improvement, no compartment, no 12th appearing student are eligible. Only students who have qualified their 12th with aggregate of 60% marks in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and more than 50% marks in English, and age should be between 17 to 25 years, are eligible. Okay, you got my point. And one more thing that I'm missing is that you should be like a pass out. You can be 6 months pass out, you can be 1 year pass out and all, but you cannot be an improvement compartment or a 12th appearing student in February batch. I think I made my point very, very clear, and I think I have answered your question very well. Thank you very much for watching. I am CET aspirant signing off.